Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 18. Mushroom Pasta. Here is a tasty pasta recipe for all the mushroom lovers out there. Prepare time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. Servings: 6. Ingredients: 1 stick of butter, half a cup, 1 pound. Unprepared pasta, 2 pounds. Oyster mushrooms, sliced into bite-sized pieces, 2/3 cup vegetable stock, 6 cloves garlic, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 3 sprigs of rosemary, fresh, a half teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 2/3 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, plus extra for garnish, half a cup of roasted pine nuts, divided, 1 cup of dry white wine. Directions: 1. Cook your pasta in a large stock pot in salted water al dente, according to package instructions. Reserve 1 cup of your pasta water and set it aside. Drain the pasta. 2. In a pan, sauté your butter over the medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms and then cook for about 4 minutes or till browned. Add the garlic to the pan and continue to cook for an additional minute, mixing occasionally. 3. Add the remaining butter, rosemary, veggie stock, wine, balsamic vinegar, crushed red pepper flakes, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook until gravy reaches a simmer, then allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Discard the rosemary sprigs. 4. Pour the prepared gravy into the stock pot with the pasta. Add Parmesan cheese and pine nuts and toss. Add some of the reserved pasta water if you want the sauce thinner. 5. Serve immediately with extra Parmesan cheese and pine nuts for garnishes and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my mushroom pasta recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.